Yo, so today is Friday, last trading day of the week, and just going to be talking about why just trading the ICT 2022 model is not enough now. To just trade the pattern is you need more confluences. Okay, so I'll give you an example of why just trading the pattern it doesn't just work. Knowing the pattern is good, and just seeing it in a clean chart, so push down there, break a market structure, fair value gap. Okay, so that's what you want to look for. You want to look for sell stops or buy stops to get taken, market structure shift, fair value gap. Okay, news has just come out. So here we think this is sell side. Okay, so if people are just thinking this is sell side liquidity, okay, nice. So this is buy side liquidity up here. Okay, so you've mapped out your buy side and sell side. Sell side gets raided here, and then immediately after there's a break of market structure. So you're like, okay, nice. So this is what ICT says. Okay, and by the way, I'm not going against ICT. He's the best trader. I'm just showing you what else you have to look for with ICT's examples. Okay, so this is a fair value gap here. Okay, so old me would have seen this and maybe got in and would have got stopped out, as you see. Okay, so taps into there and my target would be up here. First target would be here. I'll be happy. I'll be like, okay, that's like a 3-1, 6-1. Okay, so you have to look more of the picture. One, you have to look at the dollar. You have to look at GU. You have to make sure they're moving nicely together. But I'm just going to stick at EU for now. So if you look at the 2-minute, you want to look for previous fair value gaps. This is what I do anyway. So this one here, this SIBI, price is rejected multiple times here. Let's make it red because it's bearish. Okay, price is pushed into there, rejected, rejected, rejected. It pushed up there and then immediately rejected it. So obviously price does not have enough pushing power, bullish momentum to break above here to then want to take out these highs for where people who've sold this has moved their stops from here, and now they probably moved their stops from here, and then potentially from down here are going to get attacked from there, but that's another story. So now we're seeing that price doesn't want to go up here, it's rejected and it wants to go down here. Once we said here, oh yes, the sell side has been taken, market structure shift, let me get in on the 1-minute. There should, once we looked at that, break down, and we've like, okay, nice, let's get in long. It's pushed up, took out buy side here, and has dropped lower to take out market structure shift here. Or potentially it's broken above, took out the high, and then it's made a new low. So what's it done? A higher high and then a lower low. There should be a bearish breaker, which is this. There. These candles here. So what we're doing now is if we re-look at what we're looking at, we re-look at what we're looking at. My English is not the best. So it's taken market structure shift, and we're buying. What's the point of buying into one, a bearish breaker, two, a SIBI? There's no point of buying into these two. This big resistance. If price is trading above here, then I would be confident in price trading to take out this high. At the minute, it's showing you that it's rejected. So potentially, what's you want to do? Take out this sell side here. So then you want to look for your ICT model. What happens here? Price pushes up, takes out this high. It then makes a lower low, takes out the market structure shift. What does it leave? Leaves a fair value gap. Price taps into it there. I would like it to reach into it a little bit more because of spread and stuff like that. You might not get tapped in. But price does tap into there, but it's already taken that sell side, so it takes more sell side down there. However, it does tap into there and then it runs to sell side there. So your entry would be there. Your stops would just be above here. So a nice 3-to-1 risk to reward, and that is why just trading the pattern is not gonna cut it for you. So just you have to have more confluences. So the confluences was, it was in the SIBI. It showed me that it wanted to trade lower, and it was also in a bearish breaker. It was inside the bearish breaker when it took out the high, made a lower low market structure shift, and there was a fair value gap. So that was the 2022 module inside that bearish breaker. So yeah, hopefully you learned something from that. A shout out to ICT, Michael J. Huddleston, best trader, and yeah, go on his YouTube. He's got all the videos there for free as well, and that's what I've learned all this from. So yeah, credit to him. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if that's helped, and if you want me to do anything else, try to explain anything else, or if you're having trouble, or just like the video. So yeah, cool. And as ICT says, be safe.